I am Drissy Mogar, and it's an absolute honor to stand before you today to speak on behalf of a batch that hasn't only studied together, but lived, learned, and grown together. It's hard to believe that this chapter of our life is coming to an end. When we first walked into this college, many of us were unsure of what to expect. Today, we stand here not just as students, but as people who have grown, faced challenges, and learned far more than what textbooks could teach us. I still remember the first time I stepped into this college, nervous but excited, unsure but hopeful. I had no idea that someday I would be up here, speaking to all of you. That journey from silence to voice, that's the real growth. To my fellow graduates, I want to say this: the future won't be a smooth road. There will be uncertainty, setbacks, and decisions that feel overwhelming. But if there is one thing college has shown us, it's that we are capable of adapting and growing through every challenge. To the juniors who will continue here, enjoy this time. Learn from the mistakes and success of those who came before you. Make the most of every opportunity, but always remember to be kind to yourself and to others. That kindness will take you farther than any grades. To our teachers and mentors, thank you for your guidance. Your help shaped us not only academically, but as responsible individuals, ready to face the world. And lastly, to our families, especially our parents, their silent success and endless support are the reason we are here today. Before I conclude, I want to share something I came across that stayed with me. Hate has 4 letters, but so does love. Enemies has 7 letters, but so does friends. Failures has 7 letters, but so does success. Negativity has 10 letters, but so does positivity. You always have a choice, so choose wisely. No matter where life takes us, let's carry forward the lessons we have learned here. Work hard, stand tall, explore fearlessly, and believe in yourself. As Steve Jobs once said, your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. So let's find the great work in our own way, in our own time. Here is to new beginnings, to more dreams, to more challenges, and yes, probably more late nights. But just this time in offices instead of classrooms. Thank you.